We can break apart to hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this.
What's going on, guys? It's here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we're here back on ManaCube. So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I told you guys in the last video that I'd be uploading again once the server had some new updates, and now we have one. So this is called the Ancient Trials. This is going to be a mini game for only SkyBlock. So if you guys play SkyBlock, make sure to come and check this out. Or if you don't and you're new to the server, feel free to join the IP description down below. So you need rank 7 to be able to play these trials, so make sure to start grinding now if you haven't already. So this is basically just going to be like a tips and tricks video to teach you guys how to survive the waves and make this a lot easier for you. So here we go. We're just going to join into an arena now. Like that. Boom. And then there's 3 classes. As you can see, we have Tank, Archer, and Warrior. Tank gives you full diamond. Archer gives you like a power 3 bow, but only leather armor. And then the Warrior kit gives you full iron, but like a really strong sword. So I kind of recommend Tank. I'm pretty sure this is the best kit. So if I were you guys, I would just use this kit. For wave 1, all you want to do for these zombies is just go up on this little perch area, crouch over here, and then we can just keep hitting them like this. Boom, just farm. They can hit you sometimes, but I mean, they barely do any damage. So as long as you just stay up here, you should be fine. So for this next wave, all you're going to want to do is just do the exact same thing, but you want to take out these skeletons first because, you know, they're going to keep sniping you. So just drop these guys, and then you can go for the zombies. But as you can also see, there's like these mini zombies, which is really freaking annoying. So you want to take these guys out first as well. So we can just do something like this. Sometimes they're kind of hard to hit, so you got to make sure you have some nice aim, not like me right now. But yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so on wave 3, usually you'd want to single out the wither skeletons over there first, but these pigmen started chasing me already. So I guess we're just going to kill these first. A trick with these guys is that you don't want them to stack up on you. So all you have to do is just hold spacebar like what I'm doing, and you can literally just swing. If there's a lot of them, then you can just keep tapping S like this. Tap S, tap S, tap S to go backwards so they don't hit you. But basically all you have to do is just hold spacebar and keep swinging as fast as you can. And that's how you can kill these guys, you know, one by one really easily without letting them hit you. So boom, get this guy. Kill that noob too. And then we're going to go for these wither... Alright, so we can go for these wither skeletons now. We want to get them one by one, otherwise it's going to be really, really bad. So come on, we're gonna get this guy first. And I'm gonna show you guys the trick here. So just spacebar and tapping S. Because when these guys hit you, it's literally gonna hurt. So you really don't want to get hit. Oh god, this pigman is annoying. But yeah, just do that for basically all the mobs in this wave and you should be fine. Okay guys, so on wave 4, what you're gonna want to do is just circle strafe these little choker boxes here. Because if they hit you just like that, they're gonna send you flying to freaking Narnia. So we really don't want to get hit by them. Dang it, I was hoping I could kill that one. Let's just get rid of this levitation first. So if you're like stuck in this flying state, just make sure you get on top of something high so you won't drop really far down. Okay, that's annoying. So we can just do that. Get away from me. Just wait 3 seconds out. 2, 1, and then we can drop back down. Hopefully we don't take too much fall damage. All right, that's fine. 2 hearts. Okay, so now we can just strafe this thing. Are you joking? Okay guys, second try. As you can see, this round is really freaking annoying. Usually I don't get hit by those things, but I don't know why I'm getting hit this time. There we go. So we can just strafe around him. Then we can strafe around this guy. Come on. Just don't hit me with that thing. And there should be one more box. Is that the box? Yes, that is. Hello, sir. I don't appreciate that. I don't appreciate that. Alright, well, we killed them all, so you guys get the idea. Then these ManaCubes are basically just like free XP. You can kill them and they drop, you know, loads of XP since they split into multiple small guys. And then these small guys all drop the same amount, and I almost just died. But after we kill them, we should have a lot of XP so we can start buying stuff from the shop. Okay, guys, so after you kill all the ManaCubes, you should have around like 50 levels. The size of them is random, so I mean, like sometimes you will get lucky, sometimes you won't, and you'll just get like 40 something levels. But this should do. So if you're the tank kit, what you want to do is you want to buy the power bow. If you are the archer kit, you're going to want to buy the iron upgrade armor. And then if you are the warrior, you're going to want to buy probably the bow. I don't think any of the kits really utilize this OP sword much. It's up to you though if you feel like you're better with the sword than the bow. But I recommend the bow for basically any kit. So make sure you get this. Unless you're archer, obviously, then just get the armor set. Okay guys, so for wave 5, this is basically another one of those really freebie easy rounds. There's only husks, polar bears, and like those strays. The only annoying thing about this round is that those strays can give you slowness from their arrows. So I mean, you just want to take them out first. Try not to get bunched up somewhere, otherwise you're gonna get, you know, ganged. So yeah, basically just keep swinging at them. Ground isn't really too bad, and the husks don't give you hunger, so you don't have to worry about hunger either. So as you can see, I bought some more arrows. It's up to you guys what you guys want to buy, but I feel like arrows are probably the best thing that you can get in the shop. I mean, the pots are really nice, but you won't need them until the end, and you shouldn't be needing to buy any like golden apples or ender pearls or anything like that. You shouldn't really need to use them anyways, since you can just use this bow. So yeah, just make sure you use your XP wisely, and I did not make that bet. So I kind of messed that up, but what you want to do for that round is you're supposed to finish wave 5 while you're on the outer area. That's what you want to do for like basically all of the waves. You want to finish the round while you're on the outer rim. Otherwise, the mobs will spawn on you, like what just happened to me. So but for this wave, there's witches and endermen. So you want to dodge the witches and then make sure to just bait out the endermen one by one, and then crit them out. So as you can see, we're just gonna do the exact same thing to this witch. Hopefully the enderman won't come for me. Yeah, see, look, so they're gonna come for me now, and they go really fast too. So what you're gonna want to do is just use my jumping S strategy. Just keep jumping and S'ing, or you don't even have to S technically. You can just keep doing it like this. Boom, just crit them out really quick. Otherwise, those things can really mess you up. And then you want to take out the witches. Actually, I don't really need a bow now since all the endermen are dead. But like, oh my god, 43 seconds of poison, guys. Look at that. See, so that's really not worth it. I should have definitely just used an arrow to kill that thing, because now I have to buy milk, which is super annoying. So I think that's the last witch. So when we kill this one, you know, I'm not even gonna cut this time. Let's just kill this witch and get straight into the next wave. The next one should be evokers, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see if I'm right. Hello? Alright, there we go. So for these evokers, you're just gonna want to crit them out really fast. Really fast. Don't get hit by their little earthquake, huge freaking mushroom looking thingies. Otherwise those things are gonna mess you up. So yeah, just keep circle strafing them. Just crit them out really quick. And then they spawn these vexes too, so don't worry about the vexes. I wouldn't focus your time trying to kill them, because those things are just gonna kill you. They do a ton of damage. So like literally just kill the freaking evoker, get out of there, and then you're just gonna have to keep running until these vexes die. Basically, once you kill all the evokers, don't even bother. Like I said, don't fight the vexes, because they can literally do so much damage to you and they can catch up to you so fast. So just keep running in a circle until they're all dead, and then the next wave will eventually start. Okay guys, so all the vexes have died off now, and now we're on wave 8. So for this wave, it's gonna be really tricky. You're gonna have to take out these blazes really quick, and you want to take them out first. Otherwise it's just gonna be really annoying if they set you on fire. So this is why, or this is what did I just say? This is where the bow comes in handy, because you can just blow them, and like this guy is so annoying. So when these crazy axeman freaking chopping wood cutting guys hit you, they do so much damage and they go so fast. So we're gonna want to single them out too, but just let me get rid of this blaze first, and they keep getting in the way. Come on, blaze. There we go. So after we kill the blazes, or those two at least, we can just single these guys out one by one, and then we're gonna do that for all 3 sides of the map, because you really don't want to get hit by a bunch of these things, otherwise they can really mess you up. And dude, this freaking blaze is like some type of aimbot, man. Jesus, get off me. All right, so we can just do our jumping strategy, so they don't hit us. Literally just hold spacebar and swing. That's basically the strategy, guys. They literally won't be able to hit you. Like, I'm gonna do it in F5. So let's just wait for this guy to come to me. Okay, you're gonna get stuck there. Come on. Come on, dude. Really? Hello? Alright, so we're gonna bait him over here. And then just hold spacebar. So I'm not even gonna move. Ow. There we go. My aim was a little off since I was in F5, but basically just do that and just make sure to keep bowing the blazes. So we're just gonna go over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay everyone, so as you can see, wave 9 literally just spawned on me. I did not expect that to happen so fast. I wasn't paying attention. But for this wave, all you're going to want to do is just take out these iron golems. Make sure they don't hit you. So we can take these guys out first. This is where the bow comes in handy as well. We just keep bowing him until he's low, and then we can just hit him with the sword for the last one to save our arrows. And then we're going to just want to really utilize the x-ray vision here. So if you guys didn't know, you can hit shift for x-ray vision. You know, see through some walls. We can just bow these gas one by one. I don't know how that guy just survived with 1 health. But we're literally just gonna do that the entire time. So this is actually a really nice window. We can just use this right here. That was a complete miss. That was also a complete miss. Okay, maybe that's not the best angle to get them from. Let's just try right here. Come on, where's my shots today? Boom. What? Hello? Chicken wings? Oh my god, chicken wings! Oh my god, oh my god! What the hell? Yo, where did you come from, man? Jesus. Okay, I was not expecting that. This is why you have to be careful, guys, and you have to pay attention, especially to those iron golems. Something can really freaking hurt. Alright, so as you guys can see, I was struggling a little bit with the gas and blazes, but usually, if done right, you take out the gas really quick with just your arrow, and then you can go for the blazes. I mean, if the blazes are close to you, you can take them out first, but you guys want to just focus those things flying in the air, because those things can be really annoying, shooting those fireballs at you. So once they're all dead, then you just have your iron golems left. And then as you can see too, I'm really low on arrows for some reason. I think it's just because I've been missing a ton. I don't know why, but usually I do a lot better than this. So I don't know what's happening. But if you're low on arrows like me right now, all you have to do is just bait the IG, come through my barbecue, and then just give them like a little quick deep fry, so we can just go on the other side of these fires and just let him walk through it, and then he literally just comes right through. Like, yeah, there we go. As you can see, he's taking damage too. He's at 77, so I mean, you can just keep doing this. It might take a while since it barely damages him, but I mean, at least it works a little bit. Okay guys, so this IG should be at like 1 health now. And as you can see, the only things that I've invested in this entire game are literally just the arrows. Usually, I mean, I wouldn't need this bucket, right, of milk, so then I would have been able to buy another 10 arrows, or 16 arrows for 10 levels, which kind of sucks since I had to waste it, but I mean, it should be fine. So this level especially, we want to finish it on the outer rim, so when Zoro spawns, he doesn't freaking insta-kill us. So boom, there he comes. And basically for this round, all you want to do is just take your bow and freaking bring him to the outer circle and just keep bow spamming him. So I might run out of arrows, so I might have to do some sword fights, which is really not what you want to do, because as you can see, I'm just going to show you guys now. When you fight this guy with a sword, he literally does so much damage to you. Like, alright, so right now he's kind of weak actually, probably just because he's not in any enraged state yet, but you'll see later on he's just gonna do a lot of damage. Like, look at this guy, see? So now this is getting really bad. Like, I'm on fire now, I'm freaking burning. So this is where we want to get him. This is the ideal spot, so you just want to keep running in circles, and this is why you also invest in a bow. We can hit the X-ray really quick and we can see when he's coming. Boom. Okay, that was a miss. Boom, there we go. Boom, boom, just keep hitting him with a couple of those. He's gonna shoot these big freaking snowballs at you, which are also really annoying, but you're just gonna have to try to keep dodging them, just keep running in a circle. And that's also another reason you run in the circle, because it kind of helps you block his moves, since you're basically just strafing the entire time around the corner. So we can just do that, hit the X-ray button, which is shift, give him another bow to the mouth, and then wait for him to keep coming. So basically just do this the entire time until he's low. So I'll just give you guys a time lapse so you guys can watch me do it. Okay guys, so now he spawned his minions, and as you can see, I'm actually running low on arrows. So what we're going to want to do now is loop around and farm his minions for levels. I'm pretty sure they drop around like 60 levels, so it's really freaking nice. So we can just farm them really quick, hopefully. Yes, okay, so Zoro's stuck over there actually. We got lucky. Sometimes you might get lucky like that, and he might just get stuck in a block somewhere. So now we can, wow, 75 XP actually. So we can just farm these things, get a couple arrows before we fight him again. Alright, good. He's in a really nice spot right there. Gotta love that. And then just keep farming. Usually if he's chasing you, then you're gonna just want to play it a little smarter, you know. Wait till he's not around, then hit a minion, then keep running until he's not around again. And boom, there we go guys. So that is how you kill Zoro. You literally just loop around this freaking outer rim area and just keep bowing him with your arrows until he freaking dies. If you run out, you're just gonna farm his minions, and you should be fine. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Please drop a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And just to give you guys a quick summary of all the tips that I talked about in this video, the first one is to utilize the Shift X-ray, so that way you can see mobs through walls. Make sure to hold down spacebar and click, so then that way you can kill the mobs without them hitting you. Finish waves on the outer edges of the arena so that they don't spawn on you. And always buy arrows. Arrows are the only thing that you will need to win. Maybe that's just my strategy, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys find anything else, or if you guys want to let me know a strategy that you guys have found. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out.